InDaynaMo and welcome back to my Taglish channel. Hi guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are not going anywhere. Yes, because today I will unbox our latest vacuum cleaner. So recently, Jax bought a vacuum cleaner. It's a Deerma Vc25 Plus Handheld Cordless vacuum cleaner with bigger suction power for household or car guys, vehicle. So guys, ito, meron kasi kaming robot dito sa ground floor. So yung robot na yon na Xiaomi brand, dito lang siya sa ground floor dito sa townhouse. So hindi siya makakaakit kasi sa first floor. So si Jax bumili siya recently ng vacuum. Hindi lang isa, dalawa, yayamanin, sana all. Ayan. And he will give the other one to my mom. So yung vacuum na to, ito yung i-unbox natin ngayon, is a Deerma brand guys. So guys, we will find out kung maganda ba siya, kung ano laman ng box. What are we waiting for? Happy watching! So let's get started. This is the box of the Deerma Vc25 Plus Handheld Wireless Vacuum Cleaner guys. So Jax bought 2 vacuum cleaner guys. So I will open what's inside of this box guys. So this is the box. Very huge. Ayan guys. I will open now. I'll start to open guys, so we'll find out what this box. Okay. Once you open the box guys, you can see here this one. This is the Deerma Handheld Wireless Vacuum Cleaner User Manual guys. You can see the table of content here. It's Chinese guys. So once you open guys this one, you can see this one. You can see the charger port guys. This is the charging time is 3 hours. After the charging guys, I'll take it out the styrofoam here. You can see the nozzle. There's 2 kinds of nozzle. The first nozzle is the flat nozzle or 2-in-1 suction nozzle, deep vacuuming for small slot. Second one is the small brush or the triangular small brush, can clean the hair dust on the fabric. It can be used to clean the corners of the home and can also be turned into a car vacuum cleaner. After that guys, this one. This is the filter. So filter have a 4-layer filtration. First is inner cyclone settle fine dust particles. The second is outer secondary filtration stop the garbage. Third is micropore fine intercept, prevent backflow and loss is HEPA 10 purification fresh exhaust. No dust, backflow, and no secondary pollution. It has double cyclone dust filter cabin for filter fresh exhaust. The dust cap capacity is 0.7 liter. This is the main machine, or the power motor is upgraded with a dual air blade structure which increases the vacuum by 66% at the same power, reaching a 10,000 kilopascal suction power, lightning to suck out large and small dust and garbage, and a bright and clean home. The handle between the motor and the battery is designed with an inclination angle of 60 degrees, which can reduce the weight of the hand when vacuuming and reduce the labor intensity. The main engine forms a clever H shape. The center of gravity of the whole machine is shifted. Rated power is 150 watts. Lifetime use, or the standard OHI, is 35 minutes to 20 minutes. The floor brush, or the roller brush, has a built-in electric motor which can rotate 2,500 times a minute. With the spiral scraper and bristles, the floor gum and carpet dust are no longer a clean blind spot. This is the floor brush, or the roller brush is designed with elbow-shaped balls which can be rotated quickly by 90 degrees vertically and 180 degrees horizontally. 35 minutes sufficient power can clean a large space of 120 square meters, dust removal from bedroom to living room, first floor to second floor. So this is the Deerma Vc25 Plus handheld wireless vacuum cleaner, guys. So that's it, guys. That's our unboxing for today's video. The Deerma Vc25 Plus cleaner, wireless aspirator, vertical handheld vacuum cleaner na napakahaba ng kanyang pangalan, guys, na nahirapan akong ibigkasin siya ng bongga-bongga. So recently, Jax bought 2 vacuum cleaners, guys. Yes, you hear me right, not one, but 2 vacuum cleaners, guys. So one is here in the townhouse and the other one he will give to si mama. So dadalhin namin yung vacuum cleaner na pinakita ko kanina sa inyo here, and ilalagay namin siya sa luggage namin, sa luggage ni Jax, guys. So I will put their socials in my description box down below and you can check them out. So they have a lot of household appliances, so you can find a lot of appliances in their socials, guys. That's the end of our video for today, guys. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and thanks for supporting my videos. Mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please to subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao lang!